Good morning, everyone. This is Ian from the Lullaby Studio. Today we do have a newborn session scheduled. Actually, this will be my last newborn session for this year. Kasi we will be on vacation from 29 until January 4. No? I'm currently here in Green Hills, near Green Hills actually, along San Juan. So, mamaya na lang, papakita ko sa inyo yung magiging work flow natin for today. And hopefully, the baby will be very calm during our session, no? So, ngayon, pakita ko lang muna yung mga gamit ko for dala whenever I go for, para mag-home service. Ayan, sit down. Ayan. I do have my cart, yung maleta ko, nandyan yung mga fabrics ko. So, yun lang. So, may akit na rin ako. So mamaya na lang ulit.
So today, we do have a 2-week-old baby boy. The client requested a small Christmas setup. So, I had to change him muna to his Christmas outfit. Yun lang, medyo bitin siya sa last feed niya. So, we had to feed him first. I always inform the client during the pre-session consultation that we will be on feed on demand. It means that if I see strong cues na gutom na si baby, feed muna kami. I will only use a pacifier if the client's PIDYA allow them to use one or si client mismo comfortable on using one for their newborn. By the way, may mga nag-i-inquire na sa akin kung kailan daw ulit ako magkakandak ng newborn photography workshop. I do have a plan this May 2026 for a newborn photography workshop, so stay tuned na lang for more info.
So, our session ended really fast kanina, no? Aside from yung Emerald package ang kinuha ng parents, which is our mini session, no? Very sleepy lang si baby. So, after ng feed namin, halos dire-diretso na yung shoot namin. Wala nang, no more fuzz, no more challenges na in between the shoot, no? I think we finished the session for about an hour or so, no? Again, we offer 3 packages for newborn. Yung Emerald package namin is our mini session. Yung Amethyst, yun yung kumbaga yun yung middle package namin. It includes metallic print and more images, digital files, no? And while yung Diamond package namin includes na yung album plus yung same with the Amethyst. Pero sa Diamond, 11x14 yung metallic print na kasama. So, if you like this video, make sure to follow us on our socials. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. Just search for The Lullaby Studio. So again, everyone, have a blessed new year, and thank you so much for watching.